guys, today we are doing a special video where we will be making slime. We are doing this video because of how many subscribers I got in 3 days. So, first thing off the list is the ingredients. You need a bowl, a spoon, water, and shampoo. The shampoo I have is shampoo and conditioner. I'm just trying this out. It's probably gonna be a huge fail, like all my things are, but you know, it's fine. Okay, so first you need to pour shampoo in the bowl. Hey, get out. But it was fun in here. No, get out. Fine, bossy. Okay, that's shampoo. Sorry if you hear a noise, it's my mom talking on the phone. Oh, I love this. It's like awesome. Oh, it's hard to get out there. Okay. Now we add water. She didn't actually say how much, so I'm just gonna add that much, I think. Here we go. Yeah, about that much. Normally now you would be adding food coloring, but then again, my shampoo / conditioner is already colored. So right now, if yours isn't colored and you want it to be colored, add food coloring. So when you stir it slowly but really good, so it doesn't form air bubbles. It's just soap. Isn't it so satisfying? What? It's kind of hard not to make bubbles. See, look.
Wow.
Sorry if the lighting is a bit dim. It's just because I really don't know why, but it's just kind of dark in here. But anyway, so mix. And if you see a person over there, that's my mom. If you hear a dog, it's my dog, Maggie. Okay. We will come back to you in 30 minutes because you have to let this sit for 30 minutes. So right now it's 11:52. So I will be coming back like about 11:20, whatever. Yeah, about there. So yeah, this is part 1. So bye guys. Please like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you will know when I post new videos, and talk to your friends about my videos so they can subscribe too. Thanks!